The role of women fundamentally changes here due to the fact that before a lot of this work had been done in the house of manufacturing. Well, now it's moving away. So women are changing to the dual role of women that mothers, it's going to change. And so for the first time, you see a lot of working class women, they're in the workforce. And so they have to because they have to for the family. And they're getting a wage now instead of that. So the mother is really seen as a dual class or dual role, where the mother is still expected to raise the kids, but you're now working too. In other words, in a lot of ways, women have some problems during this era just because those are pretty high expectations. The men, you just got to make the money, but not the case for working class. A lot of them are either working in like textile factories, but then you also have a lot of them being domestic servants. As technology gets better, women are going to lose a lot of their jobs, and rural women especially have a long ways to go. Now, for middle and upper class women, middle class women really depended on what you saw. A lot of them are going to stay home because it made more sense, and yeah, then it really undermines a lot of the beliefs that happened during the political revolutions earlier, especially like the French with Olympe de Gouges and Mary Wollstonecraft, where now the view of women is going to change, where they're going to become domestic, and the cult of domesticity, where you're going to really be domesticated as women, where, hey, your job, hey, the model woman is knowing she's going to stay home. She's going to take pride in her ability to make a home that is happy for her kids and happy for her husband when the husband comes home after being the breadwinner all day. And married to women of high class families, that's their whole job. Stay home, make sure everything's good, raise those kids. And so women in a lot of ways during this time period are going to take a step backwards, where you're either going to be working in factories and jobs that weren't good, be servants to people, or stay home and make sure the house is clean when I get dinner's on the table.